Hello everybody, welcome. In this video I am going to show you the ClickFunnels membership site. So this is a super easy drag and drop membership site builder. If you're looking for a basic membership site, a place to grow a community, to provide them with training, even do courses, online courses, you can do all that with inside of ClickFunnels. It's absolutely awesome. Let me show you something on the back end here. So what's really great is you have the access to view the stats, so you can see who's going through the courses, which courses they're taking. You have all their contact information, so you can connect to an autoresponder. You can also use the internal automation. You can also upgrade to Actionetics and have even more automation features. You can have your sales, your membership count. You have all that stuff at your disposal here. And with inside the portal, it's super easy to just add sections and add lessons. So once you add your section, then below those would be lessons. So section 1 could be say week 1. And then under week 1, you'd have lessons 1, 2, 3, 4. Your next section might be week 2, and then lessons 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. You get the picture. So what happens is here is you can just simply open in the editor, and this would be like a mini page where you would make add your rows, add your columns, add your various sections. You can add all your different elements. So you can add video, you can add images, you can add audio, various icons, navigation bars, all kinds of stuff you can do here. You can even add links where they would automatically download PDF, and you can also link them to other, say, blog posts or other parts of your site, or if you have affiliate features and you recommend, say, a product or service in the course, you can link them to your affiliate offer. Another great option inside of the ClickFunnels membership site is that when you open the editor, you can make this is your main platform here. So you can treat this just like you would any other membership site. You can have a dashboard that would link, obviously to the dashboard. You can have this link to support, to your email. They can log out here. You can add various call to action buttons up here. Even below here, it's where you can add additional elements, content, search bars, buttons, timers. Everything you could ever imagine can be added here. So you can download an MP4 video or download the audio. And let me show you what that would look like. So when you open up the membership site, there you have it. People would click on here, they watch the video, click on here, right? Watch the video. So it's really pretty straightforward. And it collapses too. You can collapse the sections, right? And then if I didn't mention this before, for instance, this section here, I could lock it out. So I could lock it out that when they could come into, say, a free membership site and get some of the basic training up front, but then if they want to get the more advanced training or the more specialized training, they would have to pay for it. So that's another awesome feature as well. I hope you enjoyed that. That's a quick run through of the membership site. It's super easy to use, guys. Super easy to add. You can see here everything is really straightforward. Everything is drag and drop. There's not much to it. The only time you're typing is when you're typing in your course title and so forth. My recommendation is record all your videos, put them in order, and then just simply add them back into the ClickFunnels membership site. I hope that was helpful. You can get started building a ClickFunnels membership site today. There are templates free and available for you inside ClickFunnels. I will put a link below for you to get started. If you'd like, you have a 14-day free trial. If you do sign up, thank you so much. I am an affiliate. I'm also a ClickFunnels user, so I love this product. I use this product every single day. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, and share.